There's good and there is bad, and I'll tell you what is good. Good is that the numbers are much better than what everybody anticipated. But these numbers are not a telltale sign of what lies ahead, because folks, what we are discussing are wholesale dispatch numbers, which is that what companies have dispatched to their dealers in terms of creating inventory levels. At the retail level, there are massive discounts. At the retail level, there are big fat price cuts or freebies which really have kicked back in. So if you are selling cars or two-wheelers, there is a marked drop in total realization at the dealer level, at the customer level, which eventually would hit margins of the company. Second, you cannot look at the year-on-year comparison. The reason why you cannot look at the year-on-year comparison, because the positioning of the festival season this time is different. The Diwali Dussehra same time last year was in a different month versus this time around. So you cannot do a year-on-year comparison. And see, it really needs to be seen in that what happens at the demand level. I mean, this is companies saying that, okay, we've sold. They've gone to dealers. Are we looking at a bump up in dealer inventory level? If that is the story, then in next 2 quarters, it will start slowing down. If it does not slow down, what about discounts? So these numbers are good. They are telling you a much better story, whichever way I look at it. But we should not really assume that this is the trend line in making, which is the point I'm trying to make out. Next 2 or 3 months, we'll figure out whether the slowdown is real or whether the recovery, what we've seen, is it just a flash in the pan, or this is again a trend line in making. I hope it's a trend line in making, but considering that the discounts which are there in just about every major two-wheeler to four-wheeler, I think it's too early to assume that a real recovery in the auto sector has started.